Hello, so in this video I'm going to run solar using the solar prep thing that came with the Palomino. This is a 2020 hardside 2901. Over the last few years, I've tried to find the end of the wires from that thing, and I was kind of surprised what I found digging into this thing. Anyhow, stay tuned, and hopefully this will help you out. So today we are running solar on the 2901. Save yourself a lot of time. Pull this up first, see if you're connected to anything. I'm gonna pause real quick here. So before doing anything, put your 12-volt tester on the leads for the solar connector, and that'll tell you before you pull it up if you're connected to the battery. That way you can just go down and unplug some wires from your battery and find which wires are yours without doing all this. Find the color of the wires. Mine were actually connected to the battery after searching for hours in where I thought the obvious spot would be. So after centering it, we're going to screw it down. So another method of mounting the flex panels is getting some Durabond, Permabond, Eternabond, whatever kind of bond roof tape, and just use that and tape it down really good. I opted to screw mine down just because I have that thin rubber roof membrane, and I didn't want any chance of wind getting under there and ripping it off. I should add that I'm going to be sealing this really good with some self-leveling lap sealant. I know. Not supposed to do it that way. Had to take those off to stretch it out to where the panel fit. So we've got the solar panel mounted. Ran the extra wire back to here. And now we get to seal it. The beauty of the self-leveling lap sealant is you can put it on and just glob it on, and it will just smooth out and come out looking really, well, a lot better than this. I'll show you at the very end. In case you're curious, I'm using the Ames power stuff here. So this is the 230 watt flexible slim panel. And I'm also using the charge controller. It's the flush mount 30 amp controller. The panel retails for $209. The charge controller retails for $76. So for under $300, you can have a decent little solar system. Granted, that's not including shipping or tax or any of that fun stuff. I am in no way sponsored by Ames. They just make a good product, and they're here local in Reno. So we got the wiring all, it's that bundle right there, orange and white. Had to pull it out of that bundle. Ran it down there. Oh, got the battery cover all back on. And it's all running to the back of the solar controller now, which I mounted right there. I had to relocate that a little bit. Oh man, excuse the funky camera angles. Oh, and there's a controller. So it tells me my voltage, my amps being used, what the battery's at, 100% charge. Everything's good. So this is about 3 hours later. It's starting to smooth out nicely. Tomorrow it should look a lot better. Anyhow, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, comment, And subscribe. I will be doing further Palomino videos, and I've got a few already on the channel. Thank you very much.